Let's build a snowman.
This girl's powers are too dangerous. She needs to be isolated from society immediately.
Now stay in your room, and don't come out until you can control your powers.
Hey, Esla. Let's build a snowman.
I said let's build a f***ing snowman. Get the f*** out of there, Esla.
Hey, you two girls behave while we go on our vacation trip. Bye.
Oh my god, the party is today. I gotta find me a man to go with me. Will you be my man? Will you be my man? Will you be my man? I need a man, I need a man, I need a man.
Oh, please forgive my horse. He doesn't have any manners. My dearest, will you marry me?
Oh my god, yes, yes. Hey Esla, this is my fiancé. What's your name again?
It's Hans Villanimus.
Yeah. Looks like I'll be the first one to get married, sister. You're just jealous because I found a man while you just kept playing with yourself in this room all the time. You cold-hearted bitch.
Sorcery. She's a witch. Witch.
Witch.
Witch.
Witch.
Witch. No way, Esla. I ain't letting you get away until you accept my marriage.